Okay, now ngiphethe a trinomial la, which is x squared plus 2x plus 1, ne? And then batithola ama factors for this trinomial, ne? Well, amalokanje ama factors angisho you remember from I distributive law, uma umultiplier 2 yama binomials angisho 2 yama binomials, nangabe umultiply 2 yama binomials, answer izophuma la kuba yini, kuba a trinomial. So kahle kahle from the distributive law, kahle kahle usuku multiply ama factors, ne, or usuku multiply ama binomials, then akunikeza a trinomial. Basically lama binomials bo multiply ngawo ama factors, ne, ama factors waleyo trinomial basically. So into esiyenzayo whenever factorizing ama trinomials, usuka sort of like calculator backwards from the distributive law, ne? So calculator backwards from the distributive law. So after kusebenzisa distributive law, ngithola this trinomial, but then when factorizing ama trinomials sifuna ukwazi ukuthi yomaphi lawo ma binomials or the factors bo multiply ngawo ukuthi uthole this trinomial. So bheka-ke, there's actually a way of finding ama factors with trinomial, but then it's not an exact science, so it's more of a trial and error method, uyabona? So bheka-ke, angisho usakhumbula uma multiply. Okay, I'll start an example. Let's say it's no x plus 1 no x minus 2, ne? Ubheke nangizomultiply la kuzophuma a trinomial. So x times x squared and then minus 2x and then sithola a x, sithola a minus 2 equal to, ne? Equal to, so it's x squared, angisho lawa ma like terms lawa, angisho, so it's minus x, ne? It's minus x minus 2. So ubonile the time is multiplier, multiply lena na le yanginikeza this x squared, angisho, and then ngabuya nga multiply lo x nalo minus 2 banginikeza this minus 2, angisho, nga multiply this one na this one yanginikeza this one la, ne? And then lo minus 2 uphume njani? Uphume ngokuthi multiply this one and this one, ngathola minus 2 and ngehle naye up until ekugcineni, uyabona? So ubheka-ke manje, uyambona kahle kahle lo kanje, lo minus 1 uphume njani? Uphume ngokuthi si-edile, but then this minus 2 uphume ngokwenzani? Ngokuthi si-multiplyile, angisho? So bheka, whenever factorizing ama trinomial sithi this value, well, leyo value leyo asinikeza igama, angisho a trinomial in a standard form yakhona, which is x squared plus 2x plus bx plus c. This is the standard form of a trinomial, angisho u-a u-1 la, u-b ubani u-2, u-c ubani u-1. So isi value yakho kwamele uthole 2 as a number, like okay back. Uma uzofactorize ama trinomials, the method is kwamele uthole 2 as a number. Uma uzothi uyazimultiply zikunike a positive 1, ne? Now uzi-adda zikunike a positive 2, ne? Now multiply zikunike a positive 1, now adda zikunike a positive 2. So kahle kahle you start working from this product le, ne? Njengala u-minus 2 simthole njani? Ngokumultiplier the last two terms, and then the term in the middle isithola through i-addition. So bheka-ke la, in a trinomial the last term uyithola, bheka, the last term uyithola njani? Ngokuthi uthole 2 as number, ozothi na uzimultiply zikunike a positive 1. The very same numbers omultiply ngazo kunika this positive 1, kwamele zikunikeze what? A positive 2 now uzi-adda. So bheka, nangizothi 1 positive 1 times positive 1 ngithola a positive 1. Nangizo-adda the very same positive 1 no, nangizo-adda the positive ones, nangiba-adda ngithi 1 plus 1 ngithola a positive 2. So in other words, ulo kanje u1 and 1 ama-factors wakho ne bheka is gonna be equal to, so ama-factors wakho kahle kahle kuzoba u-x and x plus 1 plus 1 angisho. So ama-factors wakho ilawo uzawubona ukuthi na uthatha lama binomial or multiplier azokubuyisela back to this trinomial ne. So asithathe enye example. Let's say maybe sino x squared minus 3x minus 4. So same logic nala, ngifuna 2 yezinamba engizothi nangizi-multiply zinginikeze a negative 4. At the same time nangizi-adda zinginikeze a negative 3, nangizi-adda zinginike a negative 3. So bheka-ke ngifuna 2 numbers engizothi nangizi-adda zinginikeze a negative 3, nangizi-adda zinginikeze a negative 3, nangizi-multiplya zinginikeze a minus 4 ne, zinginikeze a minus 4. So bheka nangitimes u4 no 1 ngithola i4 angisho. So bheka-ke nangizomultiply ngo-negative 4 instead no 1 ne, nangizothi negative 4 times 1 ngithola u-minus 4 ne. Asibone ukuthi the very same numbers leza nangizi-adda zonginika uba negative 4 plus 1, obviously ngizothola u-negative 3. So sithi u1 no negative 4 ama-factors wakho ne. So it's equal to ama-factors wakho nawo ke nangilo negative 4 wethu nangilo plus 1 wethu lana it's x and x. So ama-factors wale trinomial yilawo. Now multiply lama brackets back using i-distributive law izokubuyisela back to this trinomial ne. So asithathe amanye ama-examples. Alright, now senginenye example la which is y squared minus 7y minus x minus 8. So focus man, focus. Sure. Yeah, focus man. Semsebenzini la keme. Okay. Now y squared minus 7y minus 8. Bheka ke angisho ngifuna 2 numbers engizothi nangimultiplya zinginikeze a negative 8 ne equal to, and then at the same time nangizi-adda zinginikeze a negative 7. So ngizo-adda 2 numbers zinginikeze u-minus 7, ngimultiply 2 numbers zinginikeze ubani u-minus 8. So bheka lezo zinumber lezo mina ngizi-work out as negative 8 and 1. So bheka negative 8 times 1 it's negative 8 ne, and then the very same negative 8 nangim-adda no 1 ngithola a negative 7 ne. So is equal to ama-factors wami ubani, it's x and x, and then lama factors ka 8 lawo nalo 7 abala ne, it's gonna be 1 8 minus and a plus 1. So now ama-factors wami. Now wait, it's y la, sorry, it's y. So now multiply back komele kubuyisele back to this trinomial noma usebenzisa distributive law ne. So another one it's x squared plus 5x plus 4 equal to, alright again lana x angisho. So 2 numbers engizothi nangizi-multiply zinginikeze a, okay bheka nangizothi 2 times 2 ngithola a 4, but then 4 plus 2 plus 2 akanginikeza u5. So yes, ama-factors wami kuzoba u4 and 1 ne. So it's gonna be positive 4 and a positive 1, positive 4 and a positive 1. Nangiba multiply banginika a positive 4, at the same time nangiba adda banginika a positive 5. So it's gonna be plus 1 plus 4. Ube mindful of ama-signs wakho nakhona ne, nangabe uzothola lezi numbers lama number lawo. Well, that's why bengithi there's no exact science when factorizing ama-trinomials. It's more like a trial and error, yabona. in order to uthola ama-factors wakho, ne? So there's another set of trinomials, ne? There's another set of trinomials. Okay, asibuyele la. There's y squared minus 7 y minus 8. Yebona this example le. Uma ngibhala in a standard form, it's ax squared plus bx plus c. Angisho this is the standard form. Lena is standard form yethu le, ne? So check ke manje. A wami u1, b minus 7, c minus 8, ne? Bheka ke A wami nangabe if my a is equal to 1, therefore uzosebenzisa le method engikhombe yona le, ne? Where ufuna 2 as a number, what now is multiply zikunikeza c value, now is add zikunikeza b value, ne? But then say, let's say maybe for example a wami this time akasi, let's say mhlawumbe a wami akasi a wami akasi equal to 1, ne? A wami mhlawumbe say is equal to 2, then i-trinomial yami eba 2x squared, say plus 11x, and then plus 5, ne? In this example a wami is not equal to 1, so therefore ama-rules wakho azochange-ke manje, uyabona? Therefore uma uzothola ama-factors wakho nala, it's a trial and error nakhona method, but then la kuba a bit more complicated nyana, ne? Kuba a bit more complicated nyana. Bheka ama-factors wami azoba u2x and x, and then soba no5 lana. Ngizo-explaina in a minute why ngifaka lezi number, why ngibeka lezi lama-factors wami la khona, ne? And then la kuzoba u1, so it's gonna be plus and a plus, ne? So ama-factors wami nasi-multiply back kwamele sibuyisele la, ne? Ungayizama on your own using i-distributive property. Now multiply back using i-distributive property kwamele kunikeze le trinomial le, ne? So the rule la ukuthi yabona i-factor uzobe uyithole la, ne? Kwamele uthi now i-multiply like the term uzobe uyithole la, ne? Kwamele uthi now i-multiply na the last term in the next bracket, ne? Bese ke le answer ozoyithola say mhlambe njengala it's 2x times 5 ubani u10x, ne? Bese uthatha the last term in the first bracket, you multiply na the first term in the second bracket, uthola a plus x. Now add kwamele kunikeze the middle term, ne? So ukhumbule u2 i-prime factor, u5 yini uyi-prime factor. So nangabe uzothola ama-factors ka2x squared, one bracket izoba no 2x, the other bracket izoba no x. So therefore kwamele ubuye decide ukuthi ama-factors wala ngizowahlalisa kanjani based on this logic. So kahle kahle izokuthola ama-factors for the last term and the first term. I-problem iba uma ngabe kwamele uthola kwamele uthi ama-factors wakho kwamele uthi now multiply back kwamele akunikeze this middle term. So ama-factors wakho ukuthi right wa-check-a ngale ndlela le, ne? So asizama ukuthatha amanye ama-examples based on lama trinomials where u-a1 is not equal to 1. So asithathe amanye ama-examples sisibone. Okay, then akuzoba i-last example yethu now. Say maybe 3x plus x squared minus 10 equal to, ne? So wenze sure ukuthi i-trinomial yakho ihlala in a standard form. So uqala nga the highest degree power, ne? And then ulandela nga the lowest degree power bese ugcina ngolo kanje ngo-c. So it's a b c, angisho a b c, a squared bx plus c. Kumele uyibhale in this form i-trinomial yakho, ne? Oh well. Okay, lena is simple le, ne? still kusese a is equal to 1. So the example bengithi soyenza bekomele kube a where is not equal to 1 angisho, but then ayisho ngathi ngibhale i-problem a wrong. Alright, anyway, I started this one. Asirabe ngoba lula this ones, ne? Asirabe this one. Anyway, ungayizama on your own while ngisabhala la. Mhlawumbe ungapausa this video and then uzama ukuyisolve ke this one, ne? So it's 6 plus x cubed minus 2 is equal to, ne? So bheka ke nale it's a trinomial angisho. It's a trinomial now this one. So bheka ke this one, okay, this exponent 6 and exponent 3 bangak-2s, it's nothing look, ne? So bheka ke ngifuna ama-factors ka 6 exponent 6x exponent 6, it's gonna be 3x exponent 3 angisho, and then 2 exponent 3, exponent 3 times x exponent 3 times x exponent 3 izonginikeza this x exponent 6, and then 3 times 2 inginikeza a 6. So ama-factors ka-6 u-3 no-2, and then for the x, it's x exponent 3 and x exponent 3. So ama-factors ka-2 kwamele ube careful ke ngawo, ne? So ngifuna ukuthi le factor engizoyibeka la kwamele ngithi nangimultiplya ngayo nale factor le engibeka la, ngithi nangimultiplya nale term engapha, ngithi nangi-adda lama-answers ungathola anginikeze this middle term, ne? So I think lana, remember it's trial and error ngisho. So sibone ke 6 minus 2, so it's 2, yeah, la kuzoba 2, and then la kube 1 la, ne? So la kuzoba plus 1 minus 2. So bheka nangimultiplya with 3x cubed no 1 ngithola a positive 3x cubed. Nangimultiply this minus 2 ngifuna ukutesta for yini, ngifuna ukucheck ukuthi ama-bracket wami correct by testing for i-middle term yami, ne? This multiply that ngithola le minus 2 times 2x cubed ngithola a minus 4, is it? Yeah, ngithola a minus 4x cubed. So nangi-adda la ngithola a minus x cubed. So kwamele ngiswipe lama signs lawo, yabona? Le kwamele ibe negative. Wait a minute. Yeah, kwamele ibe negative, le ibe a positive. So check ke manje. Ngitesta for a middle term, remember. Then ngithatha le times na le ngithola a minus 3x cubed. Le nangithatha ngimultiply na le ngithola a positive 4x cubed. Nang-adda la ngithola a positive x cubed, which is the same as in middle term yami, yabona? So le bracket ikahle ke le, ne? So remember this 6 akasi prime number ngisho. So whenever ufuna ama-factors for ama-trinomials where u-a wakho is not equal to 1, just play around ngalezi number lezi, yabona? Just play around ngalezi number lezi. Play around ngalama factors ozobe watholile la, ne? Bese ke middle term yakho ungayitesta in this way, the way bengimultiply ngakhona, bese uzotesta i-middle term yakho, ne? So I don't know, man, ngoba there's actually a lot of ways for doing factorization for trinomials. There's a tabular method which ngibona ngathi complicated. So mina prefer this one. Ngibona ngathi iyo much more easier, much more relatable, and much more easy ukuyi-accessa than the one on the table, yabona? Enhle kayafana ngoba it's trial and error nakhona, yabona? You just plug in ama-values until uthola the right one, yabona? So but then ama-trinomials, when it comes to factorizing ama-trinomials, it takes practice nje kuphela, ne? As isikhathi sihamba, the more practice uzoba good nakhona, uyabona? So thanks for watching. Nangabe uyithandile this video, just leave a thumbs up, press the like button. Nangabe unama-question, just share ama-question in the comment section, and then sizokhuluma ke. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.